How to factory reset BERIBES Bluetooth headphones in case they are not pairing with your phone or other device, or they're not connecting, or they keep disconnecting, or the sound is abnormally low, or they're not working for some reason. A hard reset can fix a lot of these issues. Also, if you just want to set them up again, maybe they're stuck paired to something, this will clear out all the pairing history so we can start fresh, and it's very easy to do. All we need to do is we need to start with the headphones turned off, and then we're just going to come in and press and hold this power button, and we're going to keep holding it, keep holding it, keep holding it. It's going to turn on. Just keep holding it, keep holding it, keep holding it until this starts to blink blue, red, blue, red, blue, red, blue, red. Once that happens, we can release this button, and then we can come in and we're going to simultaneously press and hold the volume down or the minus button and this multifunction power button simultaneously for about 5 seconds. So once it's on, this is blinking blue-red, we're going to come on and go hold these two simultaneously and just keep holding until this will blink purple a couple times, indicating that the reset has been successful, at which point this will go back to blinking blue-red, blue-red, blue-red. Now it has been deleted. It has deleted all of its pairing history and it's back into pairing mode, and you can go ahead and pair it basically as a new set of headphones. And if you're interested in getting these headphones, I'll put a link to the best price on them in a pinned comment.